Welcome to our updated guide on fixing Facebook login issues in Roblox games. Let's jump into some common problems and solutions. First, let's go over some common reasons for Facebook login failures in Roblox. Could it be your Facebook settings or a technical hiccup? Step 1 is to check your Facebook account settings. Make sure your account is active and not restricted in any way. Next, ensure your Facebook account is linked to Roblox correctly. Follow our simple linking steps to avoid future issues. Sometimes, browser issues can prevent successful logins. Let's troubleshoot any potential browser-related problems. To improve your login experience, clear your browser's cache and cookies. This can often resolve hidden problems. Always check Roblox server status for any ongoing issues that might affect your ability to log in. Consider using the Roblox app on your mobile device. It's often a reliable way to bypass Facebook login issues. If you're still facing issues, it may be time to reach out to Roblox support for assistance with your account. In conclusion, remember these tips to prevent future login issues and keep your gaming experience smooth.